Hello friends, today we will see how to delete rows and columns from an Excel file. So I have one Excel file name as Vivek XLSX. So in this Excel file I just want these two columns, time and magnitude, okay? And all this column I want to delete. So what I have to do, I want to import OpenPyXL. So if in your workspace there is no option of OpenPyXL, so first go to file, go to setting, and in setting go to project interpretation. Here you will get a positive sign. Here you search OpenPyXL, so you will get, and here click in install package. I have already this, so I am not doing this. So what I want to delete some I have to delete 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 column. So and after that I have to delete these 3 column also, because I want only time and magnitude. So what I will do, let's see the program. So in this program, first I have to import vivek.xlsx file in which I have to do work. And after that in this I am using sheet 1, so I have to open sheet 1. I want to delete starting 1 to 8 columns, okay? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So in this excel sheet dot delete columns calls idx is equal to 1. idx will tell that will tell starting column. So I am starting with column number 1, and amount will tell how much column you want to delete. So I want to delete 1 to 8 columns. So first I have to see what first things will do. So I will close all these things. So now you can see that I'm just doing index 1, matlab 1 to, I want to delete 1 to 8 columns. So if I have to close this file. So now if I run this program, so I will get the file name edited.xlsx. so in this edited.xlsx I'll get like this, because 1 to 8 column delete हुआ, and last 3 columns like that only. So I want to delete these 3 column also. So what I have to do, I have to introduce one command also, like index 3 means in this 1 2 3 index means column number is 3, so starting column is 3, so index 3, and number of column I want to delete 3, 1 2 3, so index 3 amount 3. So in this if I will run this program, so I'll get like this. Now I want to delete row number 1 and row number 3 also. So what I have to do, first I want to delete row number 1, so I have to run this command excel sheet dot delete rows index 1. amount is 1 only, amount is nothing, just I want to delete 1, so I don't have to add any amount. So if I run this, So I'll get that first row is deleted, so I want to delete second row also. So what I have to do, I have to add one command also, in which in idx is equal to 2. So if I run this command, so we got that file, we got this only time and magnitude what we want. So we can see initial file is looking like this. I want to delete these I want only time and magnitude column. So starting I deleted these 8 columns and these last 3 columns by using this command. One thing you have to make sure that don't use their this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. So if you add here 11 and amount 3, so this will give error, because Excel will execute first command. After first command only 5 columns is there, so I have to use idx3 and amount 3. So these things you have to be careful while using this program, and you have to import OpenPyXL. Once you can see this program. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.